Hello and welcome. This is your host Prachi and I welcome you all to Get Right Property. Today we are at Abhi Celestial City, which is located bang on Sarjapur Vartur Junction. This is not just another apartment. This is a high-rise living bought just for you. And let me also tell you that Get Right Property comes with 8 years of experience, which means we work on zero brokerage model. We work on complete transparency. You pay builder's price with no hidden charges. Let me also tell you that Get Right Property gives you verified listing, live inventories, and we give you an iPhone as a complimentary gift when you book with us. Because every booking of yours deserves an celebration. Here at Get Right Property, we don't just tell what the project is about. Instead, we verify, we validate, we advise you because we check every detail, every number and every claim. The location is one of the biggest advantages because this project is located bang on Vartur Sarjapur Road, which means you will have easy connectivity to most of the IT corridors because this particular place is connected to two major IT corridors, that is your Whitefield and Electronic City. You can also have easy access to Dhammasandra, Bellandur and other places from here because you have easy access to Outer Ring Road and many other places. You will also have easy access to Old HL Road. Apart from that, let me tell you there are top schools like Greenwood High School, TSB School, Inventure Academy, Global Indian School and many other top schools nearby. Hospitals like Manipal hospitals are close by, so this is not just a project advantage, this is an ecosystem. With upcoming metro station right here, Dhammasandra, which is very close by from here, which might be walking distance as well, which will be a metro station, Red Line, and a Vartur Road widening and a peripheral ring road. This location is going to see a hike in coming future. To know more about location, you can go on www.getrightproperty.com. There you can search on maps and you will find all the nearby schools, hospitals, malls, working spaces and everything that you need to know. You can also check for commute maps and radius maps. Apart from that, you can check for exact distance of locations from the project. You will have configurations starting from 2 BHK 1350 and 2.5 BHK from 1680 to 1685 and 3 BHK from 1950 to 1990. And now we are going to have a look at the stunning miniature of Abhi Celestial City. To begin with, right here is your entry and exit. All the vehicles have to take a right and enter to the basement from here, and this is your service entry and exit. Parcels, Zomato, Swiggy, food delivery or anything, this is the way that needs to be used. To go ahead, this is your exit from the basement. All the vehicles have to take a turn and take an exit from the same gate. Here is a no vehicle zone, so no vehicle movements are allowed right here. In this you will have 3 towers, tower 1, 2 and 3. All the towers have 2 basement, ground and 26 floors. And right here is your 25,000 square feet of clubhouse, which has majority of your amenities. Here you will have 20 plus amenities and your clubhouse will have a supermarket, pharmacy, guest rooms, temperature controlled swimming pool. You will also have a yoga deck, meditation room and double heighted garden. You will have many more amenities including an indoor gym. Here you can see a basketball court which can also be used as a multi-purpose court. And here is this cricket pitch. Right behind that is a multi-purpose court and an amphitheater which is 2-in-1. Move ahead. Here you have some gardens, some water fountains and sitting area along with kids playing area. The distance between 2 towers is approximately 150 feet. And here is your swimming pool. This is a second swimming pool where you can host parties and you can do much more fun things. It comes with sitting area and changing rooms. Right here is your Vartur Sarjapur Road, and here you will have space for future commercial spaces which can be an office space or mall space. And right behind this you see is another project of same Abhi Ventures coming up. The entire project is spread across 5 acres. Your commercial space will be 3.5 acres, which is a future development. I welcome you all to the most elegantly designed model flat, and this is spacious, comfortable and classy. To begin with, this is your living room, and right here you have large windows for ventilation. The living room is spacious enough for you to set up an entertainment zone or to build a fake wall to divide your living area with the dining area. And here is your open kitchen. Look at how beautiful this is. This is enough space for parallel movement. You can easily walk around because the space is very huge. To come here, and this is your utility area, and here you see the tiles and the window designed. These all come with the flat included along with this particular division. This half division comes with the slab. We move forward to your dining area. Again, right here is a 4-seater dining area, but this is huge enough to accompany a 6-seater dining area, however you wish so. And right next to the dining area is this beautiful balcony which connects your living room and your dining area to the balcony. This gives you enough space for ventilation, right? And we move forward to bedroom number 1. This bedroom is large, spacious and huge enough. This has enough space to set up your closets. You will have enough space to come up with an study table or dressing area or anything else. Now this is your big window for ventilation. You can also design a sitting sofa right here if you wish to, and this comes with an attached toilet. We move forward to bedroom number 2. This is your bedroom number 2. This is again huge, spacious, comfortable, and this is your master bedroom. Here you have enough space to set up your walk-in closets. Still have space for walking around. You can set up your entertainment zone. When I say entertainment, probably a TV or a big music system or a bookshelf if you're a book fan, why not? And here you have the area for dressing. You have enough space. 3 people can stand here and get dressed. You can also keep your bedroom sorted because all the mess is right here. And then this is your attached toilet. Is the most executive part of this bedroom, which is balcony. Look how spacious this balcony is. You can arrange set up a table, 2 chairs, sit here, have your gup shop and probably your chai, read your book, watch your favorite cartoon or enjoy the rain. And then comes this commonly attached toilet which is easily accessible to your living room and dining room. Not just that, it is also easily accessible to this bedroom number 3, which will be your kids room. Here you see that there is comfortably designed floor and you have enough space to set up closets. Study area can easily be accompanied here. You have big windows for ventilation and a bookshelf can also be built right here. With that, we have come to the end of this beautiful flats tour. The structure is built using Maivan construction and it comes with RSS structure, which means you will have earthquake proof buildings and towers. Moving forward, if you want to have a complete understanding and complete breakdown about specifications and technicalities, you can visit www.getrightproperty.com or call us by the number on the screen and we will give you a free advisory session about your investment plans, ROI details and future rental demand and each and everything that you need to know, including your floor plans, because we check them for you. We stand with you in every and each step of your investment journey. As you can see, the project is currently under construction and 70% of the construction is done. And the possession timeline by the builder is of July 2027 and by RERA it is 2029. But according to the contract, you will be getting an handover by the July of next year. You will have 5 units in each floor, and there'll be a different lobby for each unit, which means there'll be no units facing each other. You will have big windows for ventilation. The bathroom and living rooms comes with verified tiles, and the bathrooms comes with anti-skid tiles, including utility and kitchen. So anybody looking for long-term investments or buying a home, this is for you. If you want to know more about ROI yields, rental demands and pricing, you can visit www.getrightproperty.com, or you can also call on the given number and you can book a one-on-one advisory session with us. We will come to your place, your home, your workspace, anywhere and brief you about it, or you can also connect with us online. So this is costless, this is completely free of cost, and don't forget that you pay builders prices with no hidden charges at Get Right Property. This project is owned by Abhi Ventures Private Limited, and this land is also 100% owned by Abhi Ventures Private Limited. They come with 16 plus years of experience, 5 plus ongoing projects, 16 plus developed projects and 5 plus upcoming projects. They have a strong base in Bangalore and they continue to expand their market throughout the country. In summary, Abhi Celestial City gives you everything you need. This is a high-rise residential community that is bang on Sarjapur Varthur Road, which means you will have easy connectivity to IT corridors, you will have an upcoming metro station, you have infrastructure development, you have top schools and hospitals nearby, and this will also give you strong-term appreciation, which means this is both for long-term investors and families who are looking for homes, and also IT professionals, because this will also give you a high rental demand. Now, this video was brought to you by Get Right Property. Get Right Property comes with 8 years of experience, which means we work on zero brokerage model. You pay builder's price with no hidden charges. I repeat it again, you pay builder's price with no hidden charges, and you also get an iPhone as a complimentary gift. We work on zero brokerage model, which means you get verified listing, verified inventory, you get verified claims and numbers here at Get Right Property, because we believe that this is not just buying a home. This is about making the right investment which will make your future safe and bright. At Get Right Property, we expect you to analyze, verify and consult before buying a property or investing in it. At Get Right Property, we give you end-to-end sale, and until possession we help you with everything. We are not just here as another real estate partner. We are here as somebody who wants you to grow, who wants us to grow. Everything we do here is free of cost. We help you book your advisory session and investment planning. We help you analyze the entire project. And last but not the least, do let me know in the comments whether you're buying this to live in it, or just investing for your future, or buying it for your kids probably. This is your host Prachi signing off. See you until next time.